First qualifier.
There, 240 up there. Yesterday. Yeah, if I keep the nose down.
Alright.
Yep, it's actually not that scary. It's more annoying than anything else.
Yeah, I know. So it is Friday morning. Q2 and 3 are today. Duffy is last in line for Q2, and then I think he's like third to last for Q3. Yesterday we had one qualifying run and we wheelied yet again. As cool as it looks and everybody's like, yeehaw, it is not at all what we want to do because Edgar's a little tired. We got like 2 hours sleep. Thanks to a bunch of people, by the way, you know, Jason Schmuck and the guys from IDS.
So, Dave Varner likes the 40 pounds shift, but thinks that if we're going to tighten the limiters up, anything we can do to get a little more cushion will be better.
Thanks to Jason, you know, he was telling us last night about the, what is it, a wheelie limiter sensor. So we're going to try to find that this morning. Got to watch some races yesterday, which was cool in the stands. Got to see Joanna Marie make her first 7, which as a chick, I was pumped. Oh yeah, go Joanna.
Together here, top of the racetrack here for the right side. 798 the left for Joanna Gonzalez.
All right, well, we are almost at the track. Wish us luck. We're gonna need it, yeah.
Like one guy's away.
So I need you to give me some good content this weekend, okay?
I got my camera.
Then the nitrous was running out, and so it didn't hit as hard. It carried.
Got a flashlight to see what we got for clearance.
A flashlight? What'd you say?
Exactly.
The outside of the tire is the same exact size. So if you get to wheelie, you have more sidewall.
That makes sense.
And it's squished. It'll give you a little bit more give.
Yeah. That weight is new, the wheels are new.
And then I have to add fuel in the back.
You're gonna run a full tank.
So yeah, so basically
The sensor will prevent you from going.
the idea is that if we get to like this level with the sensor, or maybe even a little bit lower,
I think.
it's gonna start pulling timing to keep the nose down.
And that will at least get you a pass.
Yes, because it will hurt ET to take power away, but it will go A to B. The benefit of it is we can test and gamble, hope that it goes fast, and by doing the weight changes. If we guessed wrong, it saves the car, you know. So.
And you really, because we need.
Yeah, I mean when it was on the rears, it was driving towards the wall, and I could see it shifting. It's out the windshield. I went. That's why I literally was still on it, trying to keep power in it so it didn't slam. And I reached my left foot over and tapped the brakes to try to slow the rear tires. But the problem is I'm trying to slow the rear tires while the motor's trying to propel the rear tires. Yeah. So you see the brake lights come on, but they probably ain't doing much. Awful. So I'm thinking.
All right, attention to Pedro, big top tires, outlaw person 3 for your next qualifying session, lane 1 and 6, please. Big top tires, outlaw person 3 for your next session qualifying. Duffield here, left side of the racetrack in the SRX, the 240. Right side, Floyd Ormel in the 87 Mustang. Hopewood, Pennsylvania, CSM Automotive, Joel Pike, going to be on board here for the current number 29 qualifier. Now, David Duffield has not yet made a lap. So the sleeper tuning, Sunoco Race Fuels, Link ECU, Yellow Tires, Northeast Auto Bus, and Fast Performance Center here. We're going to be running Haltech.
Vamos allá, in pole position por el derecho, David Duffield, versus Floyd Armour.
Top of the racetrack at the stripe. 755, 180.
Yeah!
Oh,
Got that number.
holy 115 with a 5.
I ain't gonna believe that shit.
485 at 144.
That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Get the
I
fuck
got
out.
goosebumps, bro.
Yeah.
Nice run, Dub.
Yeah.
Nice job,
Oh my
guys.
God.
Good job.
And we turned it down.
Yeah, we
By
turned
the
it down.
way, I hit a
But I care about your life and I think it's just the best decision.
This is the line to get in.
I've never seen this.
I've never seen it. It's Saturday, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, they said that.
Holy cow. Oh my god.
other thing that he said was we cut the plugs open.
What are we doing?
The air is good right now, so it's going to be closer to what it would be like at night. And when we go to make qualifying, if we wait till then, the air won't be as good. So try it now for elimination. And you see what I'm saying? Because then if I got to take a pound out of it at night to leave them savers on go, whereas I'm just guessing it's more boost than I blow the tire off. That's what I thought.
Game time, brother.
That's what I thought. I thought she was light. Not lighted for the class, light for me.
All right.
Making a lot more power. Making
was
a,
saying that your burnout was a little bit funky, and the tires could have got greasy because the starting line went to shit after because of the wind.
it feels like making more power.
Oh, you are racing her.
So she's in that green Super down the draw.
Yes.
Is that what color
It's
Super?
that's
the
not-
B58.
it's
Yeah, I
not
know,
a
but there's
real-
more than one. Well, there's B50 here too. So.
broke by.
Do me a favor, make sure I don't hit this door. Actually, go get your lap. I want to put it back.
To what? What it was?
Who wants to know if it'll take it? I want to know if the extra weight in the back will take it. I won't.
Yes.
No. It doesn't matter. I spin as long as I don't think good. But I want to know if it was actually the 15 pounds or if the track couldn't handle it.
That makes a big difference.
Yeah. No, we're going last, but we're going last.
Thank you.
Number one qualifier.
Say where you test. Number one qualifier. Say where you test. Oh, that boy letting his nuts hang.
Number one qualifier, how you feel? How you feel, tuner? Wait, let's see. Number one qualifier, let's see it.
all that big talk. Look at that little beam tripper sitting in front.
I know.
Look at how big that thing is.
Well, I can't see it because Eric.
I'll tell you what, look at the center line of his wheels. Look at the center line of his wheels. And look at the beam tripper. Look at the center line of my wheel and the front of my wheel. Gotta get rid of
blocking off those.
Better gears, better traction.
Your call, but I still say 8 mile hit. If you think you want to stay in it, I'm not going to be mad at you.
Tenemos ahí el 240. Si va solo hasta el momento fue el que cualificó número 1 con 755. Limited Street. Sleeper Tuning. Fast Performance.